Want a master classic Texas-style barbecue? Then the Char-Griller Dakota Offset Smoker is the grill for you. With all the heavy-duty features you expect in a premium offset smoker, the Dakota is a must-have in every pitmaster's backyard. With a massive 625 square inches of total cooking area, you can fit everything you need for a classic barbecue on this grill. Equipped with expanded metal grates for a non-stick surface and easy access to your food. And just to the right of the primary cooking chamber is the attached side firebox, complete with charcoal basket and its own easy dump ash pan. Meanwhile, the exterior of the Dakota is made from heavy-duty steel, meaning you get ultimate durability and performance. And its large, durable wheels make this huge grill easy to move. The premium thermometer helps you ensure you're smoking at just the right temperature. Add in a few other standout features like large shelves for prep space, grease cleanout valves for easy cleanup, both a side damper and a smokestack damper to control temperature and airflow, and so much more, and you're looking at one of the champions of backyard grills. Get the Dakota Offset Smoker today, exclusively at Lowe's. Char-Griller, seriously hardworking grills.